Hey y'all, hey, hope all is well. Janelle is finally here. Like, I know I'm looking like a whole new person. I have cut off all of my locks. Today is the 23rd, July 23rd, so I cut my locks 4 months ago. And I just keep cutting my hair. I haven't mentioned it. As you can see, I got a little something on my finger. Bitch, I'm about to get married, everything. Like, life is just so new. Okay, so we're gonna really sit down and like rap. I'm actually about to go. But I was like, I am not leaving here without uploading something to say just hello. And again, if you ever miss me, if you ever thinking about me and wonder what I'm doing, follow me on I guess now TikTok and Instagram as well, because I may not post a lot over here because I don't be having shit to say. But now that I cut my hair, you know, we can talk about that. Yeah, I cut the cut. I just found a new barber, so hopefully this looks, you know, kind of cute or whatever. But yeah, girl, we're gonna talk. I love you guys. Yes, we're gonna do some wedding planning and all of that stuff. I'm super duper excited. All right, so we'll talk. I love you. We'll talk soon. Bye.